Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can draw in Filmora, so let's get right into it. Now, Filmora is of course a video editing software. It is quite user-friendly and quite beginner-friendly as well, so it is a very good option to start with, and I'll be showing you guys how you can use the drawing tools which are included in Filmora to create shapes and everything on your video. So I'll just take this stock footage on Filmora that is freely available. As you can see, it's just this video right over here, some sort of animation of a spinning circle pretty much. And to draw on these videos, what you need to do is you're going to need to use the drawing tools. It's pretty much just a rectangle shape right over here, and if I click on it, you can draw a couple of different things. You have rectangles, arrows, ellipses, triangles, and lines, and that's pretty much all you can draw in Filmora. There is no freehand drawing tool, at least not at the current moment, so this is pretty much the only thing that you have. So for example, let's draw an arrow, and you can very easily just draw it like this. It is very basic, very rudimentary, but it can do the job if you just want some basic pointers or things like that. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna add another drawing, so just select the video and then go over into the drawing tools again, and I'm gonna add an ellipse this time, so you can just add it like this. And as you can see, they are layered over the video right over here. If I drag it below the video or move the video up, I'm not sure if I can because it looks like they're tied together, so I can't really do that. You can move around the different shapes so that they are overlaid on top of each other. Now, I'm not sure if you can see it, but there is a white line around the arrow, which pretty much means that it is overlaid on top of the ellipse. But other than that, that is pretty much all you can do. There's nothing else to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.